Shandong Relong Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the design and manufacture of environmental engineering equipment for small and medium-sized water projects. Strategically located in Shandong with excellent transportation links, we deliver comprehensive end-to-end solutions, from project planning, R&D, and custom design to construction, installation commissioning, and operational management. Relong H has many specialized engineers. We maintain collaborative R&D innovation centers in Qingdao and Shanghai, as well as sales and after-sales service centers in key markets across Europe, Southeast Asia, and South America. We pride ourselves on offering tailored, honest-up services adapted to the unique conditions of each client's dredging site, with professional engineering certified international welding techniques and dedicated on-site and after-sales support. Relong guarantees equipment of exceptional quality and reliability, building a trusted reputation worldwide. Our dredging equipment has been exported to over 60 countries and regions including Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Asia, South America, Oceania, Africa, and Eastern Europe. Relong industry-leading technology, decades of manufacturing expertise, superior product quality, and integrity in business operations have earned us the recognition and trust of a global client base, committed to rigorous quality control and attentive customer service. Our experienced team is always ready to understand your requirements and ensure complete satisfaction. Our products are well regarded throughout China and have been successfully exported to numerous international markets. Whether you are selecting equipment from our existing catalog or seeking custom engineering support, our customer service team is here to provide professional guidance and meet your procurement needs.